designed to meet the needs of imaging professionals. Imaging Eye. Xperia Pro Eye. Exceptional imaging capabilities. Create stunning images with a newly imagined large 1.0 type image sensor and image processing systems from Alpha cameras. This 1.0 type image sensor allows for expressive, artistic bokeh. The sensor's impressive 2.4 micrometer pixel pitch enables stunning high sensitivity. It also allows for a high dynamic range with striking contrast. High-index optical glass spherical lenses fit snugly into a slim form, and T-star coating is featured on each of the 3 lenses. Technologies from Alpha cameras provide spectacular speed performance. Real-time tracking accurately detects and continuously focuses on moving subjects. The subject is tracked anywhere in the frame, and the fast readout sensor significantly reduces rolling shutter effect. Real-time eye autofocus works on both human and animal subjects. 10 or more frames integrate together into a single noiseless image. The device features 3 lenses, a 6.5-inch professional quality display, 12-bit RAW to deliver rich tonal gradation, and settings for accurately calibrating to match with reference monitors. Capture, edit, and send. Anytime, anywhere. Videography Pro offers a helpful UI that assists shooting for a wide variety of scenes and creative needs. Object tracking precisely follows moving objects at rates as high as 120 FPS frame rate in 4K resolution. Footage is smooth and shake-free. And eye autofocus now also works for video recording. The device also features a built-in mono mic to capture voice cleanly and clearly. The main camera can be used when filming yourself, with a shooting grip that allows for more tactile control and enables recording with external microphones. And the Xperia Pro Eye exclusive vlog monitor allows shooters to intuitively keep an eye on their recordings when filming themselves. Create scenes with dramatic visual power in a cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio, assisted by reliable color profiles. Illuminate moments in time. And with the dependability of unprecedented color accuracy. This is a new day for professional imaging. This is the camera.